Hi, as you can see, today it's going to be a package day. This time it's packaged from TuMay, TuMay Picking. I think I pronounced that right, or TuMay. I don't know, but he has a fantastic channel. To be honest, fantastic logo. Go check his channel. Fantastic picker, and he was interested in one of the locks that I picked. One of the padlocks. It was something like old. What it was? Gege padlock, and I said just send me a message and I will try to send it to you. And this package is from Switzerland, so it's almost 2 kilos on the declaration. So man, thank you for sending it to me. Oh wow, a lot of locks. Let's try to go one by one. I can see already some very interesting locks. Let's go with this one. This is a BKS. It's a German Euro cylinder. Let me try to find the BKS. This is the key. Very long one. I don't know why this is so long, but yeah, man. Because this is a two-sided cylinder, if you want it, I can cut it and send the one of the sides to you. But awesome. I think I have picked BKS. They are very tough to pick. They are 1, 2, 3. Seems like 5 pins, and I still have one in my nutty bucket as far as I can remember. It's a very tough lock. Wow. Next one. It's a dome. It's this. I don't know if this they're using only in Switzerland, but I can see this kind of profile, or it's not a Euro cylinder, it's some kind of a cylinder. I don't know which type of cylinder it's, and this is a dome. This is the key for BKS. I'm trying to find the key. He mentioned some of the locks. I don't know if they have. I think this is the one. This is the dome. Yeah, maybe not, but key fits. Maybe he has sent another one. Oh man, this is not. Let me check. I'm trying to. Oh wow. I don't know if this is not working with these keys, or but this is a fantastic dome. I have not seen this kind of a dome in this format. Awesome. This is the key for this BKS. Let me try to rearrange things a bit. So let's put it like very long one. This is the dome one. We'll see about keys. The keys are IX. So this is like 5 with a. Let me check. So we have more keys. Wow, I know this. What is this? I think Kezo, but my cut on this fantastic Ruko one. I think this is this is fantastic Ruko. This is probably a challenge lock. Let me check. Knockout by Lockmania. Yeah, Lockmania, fantastic. Another fantastic picker. This is his challenge lock. I love Ruko, so this is nice. I will try to pick this one, and Ruko, of course, are, in my opinion, the best looking locks ever. Next one. I don't know what this is, but I don't know if you can see there are wafers inside. So probably this is Vidmar or S. I think they're calling, but this is not that one. Something S, A something. I always forgot, but I don't know what this is. But it seems like a wafer. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, there it is, like a wafers, and I don't know if I can imagine the key here that I have. So let me put it aside and then let's try to, come on, Ruko, stay still. Oh wow. Next one. Again, a very long, yeah, this is the one. So wow, this is it's called Vidmar, made in Swiss made, 2-wafer, but I think they have like a short name as something like with three letters. I'll put, yeah, somewhere here text. And I mentioned that I was trying to look and find this kind of lock, and he said I will try to find it for you. And thank you very much. I don't have it. I have never picked, and this is going to be my next challenge to pick this one for me. And there are more locks, man. I said couple. I did not say it, that you need to say. This one seems to be Queso. No, then it's this. Yeah, it fits. It's a Vox. I have never heard about Vox. I think he already picked this one, as far as I can remember. Let me check the other. Yeah, both key works. Yeah, fantastic one. This is, everything is more or less new for me. This is fantastic. I want to do it like this. They look very, very nice. There are more. Next one. This is probably the Dom. Yeah, Dom. Let me check if the keyword. Yeah, this is the Dom EX5. X. I think it's X5 or something like that, and it's like with interactive element and some passive pins, as far as I can remember. I think I already picked similar one, but this is very nice, fantastic. Thank you. Let me. Oh wow! I'll try my best to. And hopefully the last one. I'm trying to go through the box. Maybe I missed something. Nope. It's probably this Queso. I never know how to pronounce this one. Oh, come on. So this is like a, yeah, this looks like a very new one. Asabloid, Swiss made, and it's pins going for 3 sides, right, left, and from the bottom, and you can see the key. Fantastic. This cabinet door lock or something like that. So you, very, very nice, man. Thank you very much for sending all of these locks. I really, really appreciate it. I have never seen some of them. It is my first time having like this fantastic Vidmar, and especially this Vox. I think it's Vox, and the Queso one. It's the key. It's fantastic. Keyboard. It's awesome. Man, again, thank you very much for sending all of these locks. Guys, please go and check his channel. I hope it's pronounced TuMay or TuMay Picking. So yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.